Hey everybody, it's Melanie with Wigs, and today I'm going to show you how you can style your wig medium length, half up, half down real easily. This wig is lace front wig, and it does have a silk top. And I always use the ear tabs to adjust. You never want to pull on the lace because you can damage the lace. So first I section out my face frame, and I just kind of tuck the rest behind my ear. You can use a clip if you have one, but you don't have to use a clip. It's super easy. So I know I want bangs kind of hanging out the side. I like to use these clips because they have a little bit of rubber on the back of them and they don't damage the hair as much as using a harsh material like a plastic or a metal. So I just section out from behind my ear. I go horizontal a few inches and take that section. You're not actually going to lift the hair in the back of the wig because that will show the wefts in the back. I'm even going to take a little bit less. So it's just the section really above your ear that's going to be pulled back, and that way the weft is still covered in the back of the head. I don't even like to use a brush necessarily because I go for more of a relaxed look. If you want a really sleek finish, you can go in with a spray bottle and a nice gentle wig brush and really gently kind of straighten that out. These loose wigs lay so flat to the head, so it really looks very realistic. Now you can use a clip to hold this side in place. I just kind of use my hand to hold it in place, and I grab off the same section in the back. And here's the difference when you just use your fingers. It looks kind of more like messy, kind of relaxed, and this is more sleek and polished. So just decide, depends on what you wanted, what look you're going for, and what the final aesthetic is going to be. You don't have to leave any hair out in front of your ear if you don't want to. I like to pull my hair forward a little bit to leave a little baby hair that's already in the wig. I didn't cut these. And the natural returns kind of act as gentle baby hairs. And so the two sides come together in the back, and you can see there's no wefting shown because I've left the center of my head, I've left it alone. So you can't see any wefts. I take my clip, I like to do a little twist, take the hair, twist it once with my finger, kind of hold the style in place, and then I apply my clip. Cute, easy, effortless, and you still have a lot of nice length in the back to kind of give you a nice boho look. If you didn't want to have bangs out in front, you can just tuck them behind your ear, or you can brush them back with the rest of the piece. Because the hairlines are so natural, it really is super easy, and it doesn't affect the realism of the style at all. I again would advise you kind of use your finger to pull out some of the returns, give you some wispy ends, but it still looks really cute. So this is cute for walking around the house or whatever, wherever you want to wear the style. You don't have to have an active wig to wear your wig half up, half down. Louis does have active wigs, and they're really great if you want to have a full ponytail situation. But if you're just gonna rock this, you can even pin this back in a lower ponytail. I always, again, pull some of the returns back from my neck down so it seems more natural, but it's up to you. So that's really one fun style. Another great style that is really popular that I love to do in these wigs are space buns. If you're looking for something a little bit more fun and adventurous, space buns are the way to go. Again, it's the same sectioning of hair. I always like to leave a little bang out in front. I think it looks really cute. To do a space bun, you do have to get this a little bit higher, and so I do use my brush. I like to use clear elastics. Put it around. And as I'm pulling it through, I just twist the hair up into a bun, and then I put it back around, and I put the clear elastic kind of on top. It's kind of hard to do with the short hair, but it looks really cute and fun, and definitely something if you have kids. It's a fun style to try. You guys can rock. Mommy and me. So I take the same section of hair, I use my brush, and again I make sure I have a little bit of hair coming out in front, and then I take my elastic and give it a go. I'm only using one elastic, you can use two if you want to feel more secure. Again, I pull the hair through, twist twice, and then while I'm pulling the hair through, I twist the hair and pull it into a bun. And then I put the elastic on top, give it another twist, and put it on top again. And so this is really fun. It's definitely a little kooky, but it's a style that is popular. Again, rocking around the house, hanging out with your kids. It's a good one, it's not for everybody. And even after these styles, the hair didn't really lose its shape or pattern. I just love the Mongolian hair on this wig because, you know, we're back to an effortless, really cool boho look, and I was manipulating it a lot, which is so nice. And this blonde is so soft. I had this wig for some time, and it still is really effortless. All I did was put a little serum on it. Luz has a really, really nice serum that you can use. It smells divine. Another style that's really easy with half length, kind of mid-length hair is just a simple sleek black ponytail. And again, I really like to leave a little bang out in front. I think it's really cute. It also distracts from looking at any lace. This lace is really well blended with the silk top. You can kind of cover the knots with powder, and so it looks really nice. So again, with the ear tabs on the Luz wigs, they lay so flat to the head. I don't find the need to add any sort of hair in front of my ear aside from the returns. And with these wigs, they're really lightweight as well, especially at this length. There we go. So this is a little returned hair here. And it's just so cute. I really love this style. So I brush everything back into my hand here, and then where the nape of the neck is, you're just gonna pull it down a little bit while you're still holding the hair tight. It's gonna create a natural little bulbous area. I make sure I keep the tension along the sides of my head, and then I just have this a little looser. It seems so simple, but a lot of people that are newer to wigs or wearing wigs for a while don't realize you really want that nape of the neck to lay flat. I always use clear elastics, or you can use those rubber hair ties, but I find these work the best. I like to do 3 twists or so, and voila. Super cute, super easy. I ended up leaving a little wispies behind my ear by accident, but I think that actually looks really cute. And I'll show you the back. So it's a super natural, super easy, cute look on this mid-length Luz wig. And that's it. 3 simple styles, super cute. I've said that so many times, but it's true. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you try this style, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.